Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. I take up 3 topics relating to children: toothache, twitching or tics, and typhoid fever. The symptoms for toothache are known to everybody. There is pain in a tooth, there is pain in the gums. It can be due to cavities. If the toothache is caused by exposure to dry, cold air and is accompanied by fever, give Aconite 30, ACONITE 30. In case of throbbing pain extending to temples, mark the word throbbing. The face is red, is burning hot. Belladonna 30 is the remedy. PELLADONNA. If hot or cold food causes pain, use Bryonia 30. And if there is unbearable spasmodic pain, it comes and goes, Chamomilla, CHAMOMILLA 30 is to be used. If pus has been formed in the teeth, there is an itching, terrible, stabbing pain, inflammation. The gums are very sensitive to touch. Pain travels upwards into ears, eyes and temple. The remedy is Hepar Sulph, HEPAR SULPH 30. And if the roots are exposed for whatever reason, Hypericum 30 is to be given. HYPERICUM. In carious teeth, we give Creosote 30, very effective, KREOSOTE. And in cases of gum boils where pus has formed, the blisters on the gums, pain in the roots extending to ears, Merc Sol 30 comes in. The next item in this video is twitching of the mouth, of eyelids, etc. It's quite common. If it is out of anxiety or baseless fear, give Aconite 30. For twitching of any muscle, there is a great remedy by the name Agaricus, AGARICUS 30. Third item which I am taking up here is typhoid fever. It has been covered separately as a part of the chapter on fevers, but I shall recapitulate things in the context of children. It is a fever with precise periodicity. It is connected with gastric disorders. The symptoms are indigestion, poor appetite, constipation, languor, sleepiness, delirium at night, prostration. The patient is thirsty, the tongue is dry, red coated and cracked, the abdomen is enlarged, sometimes there is diarrhea, rose colored dots appear on the 7th day on the abdomen, there is a gradual rise in temperature 2 degrees every night with a fall of 1 degree every morning in the first week. Decline too is gradual. A persistent temperature of 40 degrees C is a serious warning. It may need hospitalization immediately. Complete bed rest is advised. There can be a relapse. In cases of high fever, where the periodicity is well defined, is restlessness, total exhaustion, delirium, worse after midnight, nightly aggravation, nausea, retching, The patient cannot bear sight or smell of food. The medicine is arsenic alb, ARSENIC ALB 200. This is a great remedy for most of the problems relating to digestion, but for typhoid more so. If the typhoid comes with diarrhea, the stool smells foul, early stages of the sickness, there is stupor, laziness, sleepiness, give Baptisia, BAPTISIA 30. If the patient is unconscious in typhoid, the pulse is feeble, great prostration, nervous excitability, scanty urine, the patient needs cuprum met, CUPRUMMET 30. When the typhoid is complicated with pneumonia, use phosphorus 200, PHORUS 200. In case of loose bowels with marked periodicity, tongue dry, brown, cough dry, restlessness, headache, the brain is cloudy, the patient needs Roux-Tox 200. Loose bowels is the leading symptom, and the dry cough, RHUS TOX 200, Roux-Tox 200. In all such cases, give sulfur 200, one dose early morning in lukewarm water in case fever does not abate, and on that day no medicine should be given. Typhoid should not be taken lightly. Consult a doctor at the earliest. No risk is to be taken. Arsenic will do wonders. Still, we need medical advice. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope it would be of use to you. Goodbye for the time being.